Hey guys, what's going on? This is Eric Garcia for Cross-Platform Mobile Development, term 1503 rather. This video I'm going to give you a brief overview of our Project 2, which was essentially just creating the iOS version of the exact same application, being able to pull that same data in. Let's get it going running in the simulator here, and we'll go through the rubric and see all the points that we've hit. As you can see, when the application first launches, you're allowed to either log in or set up a new user. I'm going to go ahead and go with one that we created in the other video, which was just Eric at cpm.com with ABC123. We go ahead and log into there. As you can see, the memories obviously cross over because we're using the same user. Jumping here into the rubric, user authentication, we did that. That provides the user the ability to save their login credentials to be logged in automatically, which I will go ahead and demonstrate now. If we go ahead and go home and even kill the application, which is cause an exception in Xcode, but we know that's not accurate. And we go ahead and launch it again, you see we are still logged in. If you did want to log out, however, you'd go into the settings, sign out, and it would automatically take you back to that login screen. And to prove the safety of the app, you're not going to accidentally get brought back into any kind of memory. You're still going back to the main login screen. So let's go ahead and log back in real quick and we'll go through the rest of the functionality. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, going ahead and showing that we can add a new memory. At this point I need to add some checkpoints, because if you don't add at least the data or whatever, you will get exception. So let's just go ahead and say video created, and when you go in here, this is another kind of issue. For some reason it only comes up the second time you go in, and then it brings up the date picker as the control here, and as you change it, it goes ahead and updates the view there. Enter any kind of number of guests, and we can go ahead and leave the notes as is. And if you save, didn't update automatically. Normally it does, but if we go ahead and hit the refresh, it did create video showing there, as well as in here, video created in parse. It has been updated automatically to the server as well. We're going to go ahead and get this out of the way. So there we are creating everything. We're using multiple data types. As you can see here, we're storing string, number, date, and another string for the titles. These are protected as well. The ACL is generated to the specific user, so only the user can see it. Reading data, as you can already see, it's being read in automatically, and if you need to manually refresh, you can go ahead and hit the refresh button there at the bottom. Deleting data is the standard way if you slide anything away. As you can see, we'll just go ahead and take away this new memory here and delete. For some reason it's not updating automatically like it was a minute ago. I'll have to check what's going on there, but if we refresh it, you can see it was removed from there. Refresh here and parse as well, and that new memory was removed. So that is meeting everything here, as well as in the excellent column. We're still using those multiple data types, deleting it from the server automatically. As far as the application UI, everything is pretty intuitive. You're using the standard delete, all the standard icons. Obviously it could be set out a little bit better, but this is very functional and very productive. Again, I mean, if you wanted to close that, you can do that. If you got in here and then realized you didn't want to do it, you cancel, you can go back to the main screen. You're never stuck at any one point. You can pretty well navigate throughout the application. So that is my Project 2 review. Look forward to week 3 and 4. Take care. Good night.